Alright, Guru Nation, what is up? So, I love TikTok. I've never been on a platform in my entire, vlogging, video, content creator career. I've never been on a platform where I can just grow so quickly. It's insane. Okay, insane. So, I did a TikTok this morning. It's not really a video, it's a TikTok. Run it right here. It's like 5 seconds. You'll see. Alright, tons of comments. Alright, all I said was the clinical research industry is extremely understaffed and needs you. I even put a typo there. I put need you. Regardless of your background, there's a place for you. Network, connect with me and we can help find it. So it's just something I do to get engagement, increase awareness honestly for the industry. It helps both my own brand and I think the industry as a whole, because we need. Guys, tomorrow I'm interviewing some fellow site owners from Phoenix. They're coming all the way over here to Yuma, which is basically like the last stop before you get to California. They're coming all the way over here to network. They're coming all the way over here to talk. I guarantee you, and we're going to film it, I guarantee you one of the things we're going to discuss is the labor crisis, the labor shortage. And so doing stuff like this, like these TikToks, okay? Look at all those comments and stuff. It's my way of not only building my brand, because I'm not Mother Teresa, but I'm trying to help. I'm doing my part to increase awareness around the industry. So I know how hard it was for me to find my first research assistant we're grooming to be a study coordinator. And I'm just going to go through some of these TikTok questions. I mean, on this one post there's just 44 of them, but I'm going to go really quickly, and actually it looks like the community started helping out. So here's one. I have a master's of public health. How can I get started with no experience? Somebody said, no ma'am, your experience in college is experience. Outline all the labs you completed on your CV. Thank you. Somebody else said, any projects you completed as well are also to be listed. I'm going to reply to most of these right now with videos. I'm going to sit out here after this video and just reply to these comments with quick TikToks. But my suggestion for the Masters of Public Health, you have a master's degree, all right? I really think site level still is the way to go, but I think you have a much better chance of going at the CRO level and going straight to in-house CRA or remote site monitor, or maybe site activation specialist. I've interacted with 3 site activation specialists today for new studies we have. Startup specialist. There's different roles that you never hear about. So that's my advice for this person. Somebody else says, hey, you're not kidding, I'm drowning in paperwork. So that's somebody who's already in the industry. This person says, I'm a respiratory therapist. Is there any jobs in research for my profession? Yes. Lots of respiratory, pulmonology studies. Lots. Asthma, COPD, allergies. There's tons of studies. So find a site in your area that does those studies and others and work as a research assistant. Then within 6 months, study coordinator. Then within 2 years, lead CRC. Then within 2 more years, either site director at that site or another site, or go on to be a CRA. How do I get started? It's the certified pharmacy tech. Pharmacy techs, I've never actually hired one, but they are perfect on paper. I don't know, I've just never hired one. I've never interviewed one, but they're perfect on paper. They understand medications. Most of the stuff that we do, especially on screening and randomization visits at the site level, is going through medications and checking the patient's con meds with the protocol, what they allow, inclusion, exclusion criteria. A lot of the stuff we do is washout periods. How long can this person randomize? How long do they need to wash off? Which meds do they need to wash off? Pharmacy tech would be perfect for that. So site level. BSN here, labor and delivery is my area now, but I have clinical research experience of 6 years. Anything in California, what is the rate of pay? So for this person, CRA, you can just be a CRA. You can get into as a RN, BSN, with 6 years of research experience, you should be applying for CRA roles. especially in a place like Southern California where it's extremely low supply of researchers. Can you use LVTs? I think it's licensed vocational therapist. Yes. Go to research site near you. Research site near you. I'm telling you guys, I'm replying in real time. I've applied to see. Here's a great comment. All right. I think a lot of you guys watching on YouTube fall into this category as well. Similar frustrations. I've applied to CRA positions with a background in a CRO doing auditing, and I've gotten nothing. Well, if your background in CRO was auditing and you've gotten nothing, I would question how long you've actually been doing the auditing. What kind of auditing were you doing? Were you actually auditing the source documents, or what kind of auditing? Because you can do like trial master file auditing. Regardless of that, whichever of those you did, you should be able to get a role. Maybe not as CRA right away. Again, it might be remote site monitor, it might be in-house CRA, but guess what? That doesn't last forever. Like the first job you take in this industry is not going to be the rest of your career. That's not how it works in this industry. This industry is fast moving. This industry's people jump companies all the time, upgrade, step up their expertise. I just interviewed fellow YouTuber Marley Kim yesterday. She went from CRC to CRA like in a year and a half. And now she's already being put at 2-year mark of being a CRA. She's already being put in a leadership role of mentoring people. And guess what that does? That's a precursor to being a lead CRA. And guess what that is? That's a precursor to being a clinical trial manager. So that's the way this industry rolls. Here's someone else. I feel this. I'm a struggling RN with almost 15 years of experience and just earned my MPH. For some of these people, especially these RNs, I hate to do these shameless plugs, but it works, especially for RNs. My CRA Academy. You're going to get, after the 3-month course, you're going to get 3 months of real internship doing remote monitoring for a breast cancer study. Putting that on your resume in addition to the rest of your background you're going to be a shoo-in, if not for a CRA right away. Like I said, an in-house CRA remote site monitor within a year being a CRA. These CROs are not just hiring you to keep you as an in-house CRA. They're hiring you to groom you. Unfortunately, they hire you to groom you so that they can lose you to a competitor, because the competitor wants to get you quicker. It's like a game of musical chairs. Who's going to run out of employees first? Alright, RN here. Look, these RNs relocating to Fort Worth with 17 years clinical trial experience, senior clinical trial manager, and we are drowning due to resourcing. Wow, see? Take it from, not from me, but from some random clinical trial manager on TikTok. They're saying they are drowning. And that, by the way, guys, I'm telling you guys, you can network with each other in the comments of this YouTube channel. You could definitely network on LinkedIn. You can network on TikTok, on my TikTok. Just go in the comments. Here's a clinical trial manager. I'm going to put, wow, thanks for that. Maybe someone in the comments, maybe some good candidates in the comments. All right, what's next? I'd love to get into this. Tell me how. Research site level. Research site level. RN with 20 years experience. I'm listening. CRA ASAP. Jump nurse, then sub-I for COVID clinical trials. CRA easily. Easily. Some of these people just don't realize, like, here's an RN, MSN leadership, and a cancer survivor. Thought about it. What positions? CRA eventually. So I'm going to do video for her. I'm a CNA, certified nursing assistant. I just hired one. And want to do something different. Anything in Vegas. Yes, find small sites in your area. Small sites there. I'll make a video. A lot of these TikTok people are not YouTube followers. BSN here. This is unreal. If you're a job recruiter and you're watching my YouTube channel, you need to go to my TikTok. Go to this video. There's like 7 nurses here. I know you guys, some of you guys call me up, job recruiters struggling, CROs struggling to find nurses. Hey Dan, refer nurses. Look guys, just go to my TikTok and get in on the comments, alright? Yes, you want unconventional results, you gotta do unconventional things. Director of rehab at a skilled nursing home and a physical therapist assistant. What area could I fit in? I would think study coordinator right away. RN with 3 years experience in oncology. Where can I get more info? Here, I will make a video. I'm an RN of 9 months. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. Alright. If you're on here, the best way you can get into the industry is to reach out on LinkedIn to people who already work for the company. So this is like members of Guru Nation helping me out. Thank you so much, Tati. I'm in nursing school. Is there a place for me? Yes. I have experience in scheduling with healthcare. I'm currently in school to get my bachelor's. How can I get started with no experience? Again, research a site near you. Here's another one. I'm an RN. Where would I fit in? These RNs are coming out of the woodwork on this TikTok. I have some experience from a stint with NIH, but I can't find any opportunity ever since I relocated. This is the hardest. These people that have stints with the National Institutes of Health and other academia, and I get a lot of hate for this, they have the hardest time finding roles because academia and NIH and places like that hire so slowly. And on top of that, if you want to transition to private industry, it's so difficult when they see your background from academia. It's almost like they want to stay away. Like, I'd rather take this RN with 0 experience or this CNA that became a CRC than take somebody from one of these bureaucracies. Those are the harder ones. My face, someone said my face every time I have to physically pick up a reg binder. E-reg all the way. I have just sent out the lifeline, sir. Thank you. I went to school online and finished my training, CRA Training Institute certification. Nobody wants to hire me because I have no experience. I'm a phlebotomist. Honestly, you picked the wrong academy. You need real internship. How much money are we talking? Anywhere from $36,000 a year to $300,000 a year. Nurses, yes. Bachelor's in biology. Sent that LinkedIn. Yep. Nurse, how do I make the jump? Following, I have a bachelor's in psychology. So bachelor's in psychology and master's in licensed mental health counseling. CNS sites in your area. You can be a central, you could be a rater. You can be a rater. So I'm going to get back to all these people with actual videos and lead them to this one. But thank you so much, Guru Nation. TikTok is on and popping. All right. I had no idea it would be this easy to grow on TikTok. And it's funny because it's not every video. It's like every 20 videos I do, 19 of them are like average, like whatever. And then one, for no reason, sometimes it's just the sound you pick, blows up. Like this one was not funny whatsoever. I've done some pretty funny stuff, guys. Well, I think it's funny. They don't blow up. This one, I don't know. I didn't expect it. I just did it to do it. And you see all the RNs commenting. And guys, get on TikTok. And also, if you know somebody who's interested in research, have them watch this. Thank you, Guru Nation. I need to get back to these TikToks. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Bye-bye.